So today we'll be learning how to make this simple promo design flyer, right, using Canva. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing we do, we go into our Canva app, right? Go to our Canva app. I think we'll not be making use of the Canva Pro content, and I have a video that in the description below that teaches you how to get Canva Pro for free. So we're going to our custom size. We will not be choosing one of these already default sizes. We're going to custom size. The reason why, okay, and we'll be using 3000 by 3000. The reason why we do this instead of just using 1080 by 1080, because both of them can work, is that this gives the design high quality. You understand? When you normally post your design on social media platforms, WhatsApp, YouTube, and the rest of them, it diminishes the quality by default. So when you give it a very high quality, even though you post it on social media, the quality is still high. You understand? It's not looking let's say, it's not looking diminished. You understand? So first thing we're doing after this pops up, we're going to our background. Photos. We want to set our background. So we'll go to photos. I will search for Christmas background. So that's it. There is written it's Christmas background. So just search for that. Okay, so Christmas background. So this background we're using here is a pro. So just get the pro and then you continue. So click on that. And then next thing we're doing, go to move to the ending right at the bottom of the page. Okay, you click on more and click on more, then you set image as background. Set image as background. We didn't do any editing, just place like that. Okay, so that's it. The next thing we're doing, we're adding our models, right? Yeah, so we add our models. So I'll go to uploads, right, and then I'll pick the model from my phone, but I already have them here. So if you want to pick upload the model, just click on upload files here, and then you search for it from where it's going to be. I made the model available for you in the Google Drive, so the link is in the description too. You can just download them. So you'll be in your downloads and you can get them from there. I also have it here. So since I already have it in my Canva, no need for me to upload it again. I'll just click on the models. Yeah, so this is them, and I'll have to just place them well. Reduce this and just do some adjusting. Yeah. Okay, that is it. Right, so the next thing I'll be doing now, I'll be adding my text. So the text I'll be using, I'll go to text. I can go and add plus icon there. I go to text and we're using this cell. This one here, cell. That's what I'm using. So I'll click on cell. And then here is it. So I'll go to size and then I'll ungroup it. Ungroup it at the bottom here. So I'll change the colors. Change it to, let's say, black for now. Change it to black. Yeah, so the first thing we're writing is the festive season sale, right? So festive, F-S-T-I-V, the festive. I want to align it right aligned there. So read position play festive season sale. So this font of the size of the festive will be 278. That's the one size I want to use based on the one already created. 278. But you can use the one that fits your design. You must not follow everything strictly. Festive, and then season. Festive season. Let me use the size of this festive season. Okay, festive season special. The season, the size is going to be 207. 207. That's what we're using. And then I'll make it right aligned. Also go to format, right aligned. Okay. And then the cell is going to be 171 for editing it. 171. It's not going to take a long time. I think less than 10 minutes. We're done. In the best case scenario. Okay. So go to format and place it right. Yeah. I want to reduce this. So I'll zoom with both of my hands, right? And then I use one to reduce. Okay. So align it like that. So this is not the color. The color of the festive. Festive is red. So make it red. You choose red from here. Since we have the same touch. Then we'll go to our effects. Just click on shadow. Shadow is the second option there. Then I'll edit one black to get the black that I used. Let me check. Okay, yeah. So it was black and the transparency. Undo the transparency. Increase the blur. I'll be checking the size. I'm just editing until I get what I want. Then I'll tell you the numbers that I use. Like that. Okay, that's 658. Offset is 36, size is 58, blur is 48, and transparency is 32. This is perfect. Okay. Festive season. Season 2 is supposed to be red. Red. I think we didn't do anything there. Just let's add some effect. It's just looking zoom in, use this. So go to my effects also. So we have an effect, so you cannot actually do anything. I'll just do it like that, and then festive season special. SPACIL. So we'll expand this so the words will be in recent straight line, right? Then go to our effects. Put it using shallow instead of hollow, right? Shallow. And then the color we're going to be using. Everything. Okay, first of all, let's change the color. The color is going to be go to color at the bottom, and this green color here, right? Christmas color now, green, red, green, white, and the rest of them. So effect, make it effect. Then I won't be using black. The black will be using. Okay, so we'll be using black column, and then we'll adjust it also. Blur, direction should be facing the back, and then offset. Let's increase transparency. So we move this blur, facing it in the direction. Okay. Right, that's it. And yeah, especially special with 3 exclamation marks. So especially special, that's the idea. And so the size is 171, 0 is 171. Okay, so we're good to go. Now just have to adjust it. So just have it. Now this type of font alignment, they call it F. For design layout, F style. We have the F style, we have the Z style. But at the end of the it's already looking like an F. The first is very special, and everything we're going to write is already looking like an F, right? So the F means fast, and enable is that to scale through the design fast. So at the end of the fly, you see everything. You just be able to read everything just once. You just scale through it once, and then you now come back to it. So this model we're using. We go to our, let me show you. We go to filter, right? Filter there at the bottom after effects inside the filter, and then we'll now go to afterglow. That's to afterglow, and then we reduce it just to increase the quality. Now let me show you the difference. Without this is none, right, and this is afterglow. So you see it increases the quality. So just use it a little bit. I want it to be at 40, so just click on and boost 40, and so that's it. Let's use this better. Now the next one we're doing adding the rest of the font, right? So we just rush through that. Okay, so we just click on the add icon and we're adding a text. This is normal, adding the text, and then we're editing the text, right? I already copied this stuff here. Okay, add the heading and then edit. So I'll edit and then I'll paste what I've copied. So I'll use this size. Let me use it first of all. So then I'll adjust everything. I'll use like 50. Okay, so I was using everything here, so I'll just be selecting the one I need now. So get your amazing, that's one we're using. Let's just select. Okay, next. Okay, then this size. Then adjust. Okay, so the alignment is going to be right alignment also, right? Everything is following the same type of alignment there. I just want to replace of graphic design, and GD, we talked about that a lot. It is coming up soon. Okay. I'm using the size also. I think size okay, just move it. Let's expand. I want to close this line like this. So I have 3 lines instead of 2. So it doesn't creeps into the model and affects the design. So that's it. The color we're going to be using is going to be red. Okay, and then the line spacing, we're using line spacing. Yeah, so yeah, get quality top notch flyer design at 50% off. The font is DM Sans. So search DM Sans. Search for the font. There's it. DM Sans. So that's it. And now to increase this 50%, I'll just make that examination mark 3. Okay, I think that one is showing bold. So to remove this effect, you go to your format, right? Click on format, make all of them bold, and then you make all of them not bold, and then right. Okay, so that's the first one. The second, the price now, I'll just copy special. That's design. You want to get it designed for me, at least you could pay 5K. Okay, and then you duplicate that, and then the FSS, they are the festive season special, right? Festive season special, 50% discount just for the festive season. Our way of showing love. Okay, 2,500. So I'm making this one red. Why red? What in psychology of colors? We just more GD. Psychology of colors. It makes red is one of the type of colors that is more outgoing, right? Anybody that wear red, you must notice this. Right? So red it's a color that attracts the pupil of our eye, so we see it, we can only spot it. So that's why I'm making that red, so you can see the real price instead of the actual fee. I know how much we paid. I'll be increasing this. I'm increasing the actual fee to be more than the FAS, because that's what we'll be paying. So we'll make it 75. And then this, and I want to cross over that 5,000, right? I'll cross over. So click on the add icon. You go to your elements, right? Elements. And then you see line, right? Line already shows you the option here, line, or you can just search for it. So I'll be searching for lines, click on line. You see many lines there. So this line here, this first line. And then don't change the graphic on this line and shapes. Click on that line. That one you can edit, you can easily edit it. So I'll bring it to 5,000 naira. Okay. Go to the line style again, make it 10. And then move it. Don't move it again, so it's not too much. There's 5,000 naira FS fee, 2,500. So let's rush. I think so after 10 minutes already. Hope you enjoyed the video. Okay, so the next thing we're adding is, let me just check what we're adding. What are you waiting for? Come and get yours before the offer ends. Yes, come and get yours. Just 50% discounting. That's 2,500 now. Can take you out for Christmas and you enjoy yourself. Right? So just play now and play later with the rest. So what are you waiting for? I think I've copied it tonight. Let me just go to my keyboard and then I just highlight it. Highlight that part. Oh god, highlight it. Copy. Okay, and then you now click on select. Okay, if you're not following me, but you can just always select all and then click on next. Okay, what are you waiting for? Come, let's just offer. Let's reduce that size. What's 45? Then I write when the offer ends, terms and conditions apply. Yeah, I give you my terms. Don't just come tell me you want design 2 hours or 1 day. Not giving me time to come up with the concept of the design. I understand what you're trying to create, what you want me to create. So I have my own terms that you comply to. All right, and then I copy that also, and then the last thing there is when the offer is going to end. So I click on it, select all, and then go to my keyboard. And then that's it. Offer and terms and condition apply. So let me see. Okay, I want to make that a straight line. This shouldn't be a window right here. Graphic design we call window. Window is when it's the only one in the line. You don't have windows in your design. Windows and offer, that's what you call it. Okay, size. Just reduce the size a little bit. Just make it 45. So that's it for the stage 1. Okay, 70 minutes per hour. Wow. But hope you're getting value. I'll just. Okay, that's it for this design right now. So I'll just click on the download icon above, click on download, and then be saving it to our folder. Now the next step is the enhancing of the design, right? If you want your design to be enhanced, you can just keep watching, right? So we go to PixArt. I hope you get PixArt. You can just get PixArt from your Play Store. Go to PixArt. I already have it in my phone here. Go to PixArt. Just also enhance our design. I normally do this any design creator. I go to PixArt to make it better. Like I'm just like getting it from Canva, just like the raw file. I'm going to PixArt. It's like you are now processing it to get meaningful information, making it more better, and lit. So I did add my logo design for this one. You can just add your logo. I just add my logo so that people know I created it, or somebody come and come and say that it's design. People normally do that. I don't know why they do that, but they're not even themselves, because if you not create it, you're saying you are the one that create it. You not learn that thing, right? Okay. So I'll just okay, yeah, here's it. So first of all, go to effect. Click on effect at the bottom. Go to the first option, here the RI enhances the design. Then we're not leaving like this because it's too enhanced. So we'll just reduce it. Reduce both of them. Use the on sharp and the blur. We'll just reduce it. I think 15 is okay for the blur. 14 is okay. See? Okay, I like it like is this okay? I want to check the difference on sharp, then blur. Okay, this is it. This is the first step, and next second step is I'll go to lens. This is lens flare, right? Lens flare. I want to add something to the special, so the special will be special. Okay, what I'm saying. All right, I'll click on this lighting effect here. I'll come and place and move it and place on the C. Right, I'll use this icon there to increase the size. I'll place on the C. So special. This will be lightning effect. So the special, special. So there's its festive season special now. So click on good, and then last thing hide and color. Go to max. This last one, max. Okay, it's actually my recently used, but I'll not be going to where it is, so you get it. Go to light. So click on this light. This is it. I just love this color so much. So I'll just be using transparency a little bit. So there you have it. That's design. Click on good at the top of the top of the app. So click on download. This download icon here. Click on it. good, you download it and then have it designed. You don't save it again because you have it twice on your phone. So let's go look at our design. Let's go look at our design, see what we're able to come up with. Okay. So this is a quick start. See, there's festive season special, awesome flyer design. You get this now. So this is, you can use it for your own design. You can use it and do your own promo flyer. Thank you so much for watching to the very end. From the booster, aka from John Mama, aka the booster. Have a very, very great day. Thank you so much.